way to restore balance again. But the truth is that it is we, the people, who will be left to face the consequences of this restoration. And it's the vulnerable communities and the millions of species of flora and fauna that will face the worst of it. The generations before us had let their greed and ignorance take priority over their care for our environment. And as the clock ticks today, just as the one yours showed us right at the start of this event, the situation can make all of us feel worried, overwhelmed, and even hopeless. But there is hope. And I know repeatedly everyone is talking about how youth are the ones who have to lead change, and this can add a lot of pressure. But we want all the youth to know out there that you're not alone. This is a time we need to join hands, partner with like-minded people, bring on board the non-believers, and just truly support one another and the planet while making sure no one is left behind. We need to begin by making conscious efforts in our personal lives and also educate and inspire any and everyone that we meet in our journey. There is certainly so much hope as long as we work in unity. And this conference is a great example of what the power of coming together is. Through the course of 3 days, we've witnessed some of the most eminent speakers join us here and also seen the kind of passion and vision young minds have for our planet. Just as Dr. Ash stated, it is important that we now think about what steps we are going to take post this event. This discussion must not stop here and must convert into effective action. Mr. Natarajan also very aptly pointed out that we need to start living our life in such a way that it benefits the planet, right from the job we take to the colleges and schools we join and the communities we live in. We need to keep a check on how we can support our environment. And as Mr. Pushkar also pointed out, we need to go back to our roots and connect with the traditional and indigenous ways of caring and connecting with our planet. We already have such inspiring examples of young people who are bringing about such phenomenal change, right? From Prachi to Steph, they are path breakers who are bringing so much hope into this world. And then, of course, we have eminent organizations like the POP movement that embraces and supports young change makers to reach for the sky and beyond. The activity and debate sessions truly represented the limitless potential each of you have. And let me tell you that this is only the beginning. I cannot wait to see what each of you will achieve going forward. Post this event today, I want you all to take a pledge. Promise yourself that you will start consciously taking actions that only protect our planet, that you will educate all those around you and inspire them to do the same, that you will also continue to educate yourself and explore solutions you can take up for building a sustainable world, that you will connect with like-minded youth, organizations, and individuals and work together in solidarity, and that you will become the voices for the vulnerable people and millions of species of flora and fauna, that you will care, support, and nurture our planet, our home, in any way you can, because no action is too small or too big. Once again, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the entire organizing committee. I am sorry if I'm mispronouncing any names, but I will give it my best shot. Ved Sanyal, Aryan Chaudhary, Mihir Radhi, Hazik Kazi, Abia Sayed, Jay Shah, Meghna Yadlapalli, Aditya Srinivasan, Alisha Pinto, Bhavya Mathur, Hansika Pulugu, Anusha Agarwal, Zoya Bhargava, and Simran Jadhav. You all are just absolutely, absolutely phenomenal. And I would appreciate if the applause reactions continue for this entire organizing team that has done such a brilliant job in bringing the speakers, bringing the youth, bringing all of us here together today. And to all the young leaders who joined us in this conference, thank you for joining us. We are here for you. The Airways Foundation is here for you. The POP movement is here for you. Please feel free to connect with us at any point, and we would love to support you and make you a part of our family. Thank you so much, everyone, and looking forward to working closely with each one of you and wishing you all the very best in everything that you do for our planet. Thank you so much.